How to remove dark eye circles naturally? One of the few things we notice when we look in the mirror is the circles under our eyes. Dark circles are actually pretty common. The skin around that area of our eyes is thin, making the blood vessels underneath visible, thus making them darker than other parts of our face. First, it's important to know what's causing dark circles in the first place so you can root out those factors and maintain a lighter skin tone in the said area. Aging is a primary factor in dark circles. Being sleep deprived also worsens it, as well as exposure to the sun. Perhaps the biggest culprit is makeup. Makeup can irritate the sensitive skin under the eyes, which can also lead to darkening. Also, skin conditions such as eczema can form in the skin around the eyes. Ever notice when we're stressed or when we didn't get enough sleep, our eyes would seem puffy? That also causes dark circles. This also happens during allergy season or when you ate food you didn't know you were allergic to. Don't worry, there's a quick solution. Just combine the simple ingredients and you'll have a new skincare product. The first ingredient on our list is honey. This sweet product that comes from bees has tons of proven health benefits. One of those is the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein in our skin that keeps it elastic and wrinkle-free. It is also antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory, which are the three things our skin loves. It's also hydrating and lightening, which makes it an important ingredient for this recipe. Honey is also known to promote good blood circulation to keep skin healthy. The second ingredient is lemon. Just like honey, the acids in lemon are skin bleaching agents. And what's more, lemon juice is high in vitamin C, a nutrient our skin needs to rejuvenate itself, making skin tone even. Plus, this vitamin acts as an antioxidant, protecting skin cells from damage caused by stress. The citric acid in lemons also helps with skin tightening around the eyes. Best of all, lemon juice is known to be an astringent, which means they help the skin to close open pores, leaving skin supple and smoother. Knowing that there are natural alternatives to skin toners is amazing. If you like health facts and learning about the nutritional benefits of food and drinks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And for notifications, click the bell icon and you'll never miss a video. The next ingredient is tomato juice. Tomatoes have lycopene. It's a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and blood clotting. It is also known for its skin bleaching properties, perfect for eye circles. Being one of the fruits with high water content, tomatoes hydrate the skin too, which is a good way to prevent darkening. And it's high in vitamins and minerals that promote cell health and proper blood circulation. And the last ingredient, turmeric. This powerful herb can help you get glowing skin, thanks to its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. One of those is curcumin, which facilitates the healing of the skin tissues. It's also a powerful compound when it comes to collagen production. Acne and scarring are common skin concerns, and the compounds found in turmeric are all helpful to have clear skin. So what we need to do with these ingredients is to make a paste that we could apply to the dark circles area. Mix a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of fresh tomato juice, then add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix them in a bowl and then apply the mixture under both eyes. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with cold water. Those are the easy steps, and if you follow them every day, you'll see noticeable changes after a week. It's amazing what a mixture of powerful herbs can do. The last ingredient mentioned, turmeric, is also a healthy spice that's praised for its effects on weight loss. It is even used in drinks that can trigger rapid fat metabolism. There is the true story of Susan Atley. She's a 45-year-old mother of 3 who almost lost her life to obesity. Her doctor recommended she take a special tonic that has turmeric in it every morning. She took the tonic every morning, and after only 7 weeks, she lost 54 pounds. Check out the story using the link in the description. You'll be amazed by the power of healthy herbs and how they effectively keep us young. That is it for today, and give this dark circles mixture a try. Be sure to check out our other health videos on our channel.